Welcome to Section 4 of the Backend Web Development Using Go video course. This section covers how to perform file uploads using Go. In this section, we will cover an introduction to file uploads. We will show you how to upload an image file and dynamically produce a thumbnail for it. And we will show you how to upload a video file and dynamically produce a thumbnail from a video frame. In this video, we will introduce you to file uploads. We'll show you how to declare a multi-part form. We'll show you how to declare the enc type. We'll show you how to declare the file input field. And finally, we'll introduce you to the parse multi-part form function from the http.request type. There are certain considerations that we need to make when we want to send a file through a web form. HTTP is a text protocol, but files are binary data. When we upload files, we need to properly specify the enc type attribute. The enc type attribute allows us to specify the value of the content type HTTP header that's included in the request generated when we submit the form. This header tells the server what kind of data that we are going to be sending to the server. If we don't set a value for the enc type, it defaults to application/xwww form URL encoded, which means to treat the form data as data that has been encoded into URL parameters. When we want to send files through a web form, we need to specify that the enc type value is equal to multi-part form data. By doing this, we split the data into multiple parts, one for the text data included in the form body, and the other for the file. In addition to that, we need to specify that the HTTP method is post. We do this by setting the method attribute in the form tag. And finally, we need to include an input control where the user can select a file from their device. We will use the input tag and we will specify the type being file. This will allow us to show the Choose File widget. When it comes to file uploads in Go, we will be using the parse multi-part form function that's available to us in the http.request type. Let's issue the following go.doc command to get more information about this function. So let's type go space doc space http dot request dot parse multi-part form. The parse multi-part form function will parse the request body as multi-part form data. One important item to consider here is that the whole request body is going to be parsed and stored into memory. If the file exceeds the maximum memory limit, then parts of the file will be stored on disk in the form of temporary files. In the next two videos, we are going to take a look at uploading files. First, we'll start off by uploading an image file, and then after that, we will take a look at uploading a video file. In this video, we introduced you to the basics of file uploads. In the next video, we are going to walk you through a specific example where we upload an image file.